When to water a pothos plant, here is how to know when your plant is ready for a drink. On average, pothos plants need to be watered once every 7 to 10 days. Frequency depends on the plant size, season, light, temperature, and pot type. Smaller plants, like this guy here, dries out faster and needs water more often. During spring and summer, pothos plants are actively growing, so they'll need more frequent watering. Plants growing in medium or bright indirect light will require more frequent watering compared to pothos plants in low light spaces. In warmer temperatures, soil dries out faster, and in cooler temperatures, it dries out slower. Soil also dries out faster in pots with drainage compared to pots that have no drainage. Also, clay pots, like the pot I have here, are porous and moisture will evaporate faster, where in ceramic pots, plastic, metal, or other type of pots, soil stays moist longer. So how can we make sure our pothos plants are ready to be watered and make sure we do not overwater them? One way is to check the soil. You should test the soil at least once a week. Test the soil as deep as possible around the plant. You can use your finger and insert it into the soil as deep as possible. And again, just try and test it in a few places, or you can use soil moisture meter, insert it as deep as possible without hitting the bottom of the pot. Test it in the few spots, and if the soil feels dry to you when you use your finger, or the soil moisture meter is in a dry zone, your plant is ready to be watered. Another way to know when your plants are ready for watering is by observing their leaves. Pothos plants are very vocal when they are thirsty, and if you pay attention to your plants, you can easily tell that it's time to water. Look at these two plants. Can you see the difference? Plant on my right looks pretty droopy, and the plant on my left, its leaves look perky and happy. So if your plant looks droopy, grab that watering can and water your plant. Checking your plant regularly will help you to learn its unique watering needs. Still not sure when to water your pothos plants? Leave your questions in the comments for me.